Today, we will be discussing a phenomena called sensory adaptation, and we will be doing it by conducting an experiment that overrides it in your eye. Sensory adaptation is the function our brain uses to override stimulus that we are constantly exposed to. An example of this is how people who have smoked cigarettes can't really smell them, or how you can no longer feel a ring on your hand a few minutes after you put it on. Within your eye, this manifests as you not normally being able to see the shadow your capillaries cast on the lens of your eye. There is a temporary way around this particular adaptation where you focus a long distance away in a very dark room. Take a cell phone light or small flashlight and hold it around 15 centimeters away and wiggle it up and down while directing the light into your eye. This results in new movement along the inner surface of the eyeball and causes your brain to pay attention to it, which results in you actually being able to see your capillary's shadow. This, ladies and gentlemen, is called a Purkinje image. The high-resolution center of your vision is called the fovea. It's the location where the capillaries are thinnest and at their highest concentration. Where the blood vessels come together like a trunk on a tree, you have a small blind spot. You can find your blind spot by drawing two level dots 5 inches apart from each other on a piece of paper. Hold it at arm's length with your right eye looking at the left dot and covering the left eye. Move it closer and further away until the dot disappears. And voila! You've found your blind spot where your blood vessels are larger and the blood enters and exits your eye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at Theory of Curiosity. Thank you.